Trump trade. Do know that the market reacts on Trump announcement. As we know, when Trump makes a tweet or tells something on any social media, very often that can impact stocks price, currency market, everything. Trading and politics are often discussed but don't belong in the same equation. As a traders, our focus should be on the market dynamics, not political debates on biases. Success in trading comes from relying on sound strategy, data, and personal beliefs about the markets, not external political influence. However, sometimes we need to prepare the strategy, because I like to watch the charts from the end of the 2016 and the beginning of 2017 when Trump the first time became the president. I can see a lot of similarities with current market state right. But about that, I will talk in other video. Hello, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I will try to talk about all these social media impacts on individual companies, announcements, and all these political debates problems. The first thing that I want to talk is social media impact visual, because Trump frequently used social media to criticize and praise specific company. For example, personal attack on companies could cause a sharp, immediate stock price movement, and these posts initially create significant volatility but diminished in effect over time as traders recognized the posts were often just a tactics without concrete policy follow through. However, in my personal experience, I saw several times that, for example, Looney just fall down after Trump announcements related to Canadian economy, future tariffs, and such thing. For example, tariff announcement. Trump often announced potential tariffs via social media, particularly during his first term. Initial posts about tariffs, such as 55 tariff on Mexico and Canada, etc., all these tariffs in short term can impact price, and you cannot check this in economic calendar or be prepared for that. And this is the problem. However, we can have a trading idea and be prepared for it. For example, if Trump mentioned tariffs on imported vehicles, traders might speculate that domestic automakers like GM, Ford benefit from that, and that can lead to stock price increase for that company. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying not to trade that asset that are directly impacted after the Trump announcement. I want to trade indirect. How? I see who will benefit from that, and then when I see who benefit from that, I will, for example, purchase equities of that companies. Plus, of course, fundamental analysis done. I want to see on the chart, for example, a bullish trend for example, automotive industry or that stock, and then I will enter. I want to say, I want that technical and fundamental announcements align with Trump announcement. And if all three factors are aligned, then I will enter trade. Government policy announcement. For example, a Bloomberg report on November 17 highlighted Trump transition team discussing federal regulation for autonomous vehicles, which caused Tesla stock to rally. And why it's mattered? Tesla had previously signaled that national regulations could ease its rollout of robotaxi fleet, and Elon Musk's relationship with Trump made the news seems credible to investors. So if we just look the chart, for example, you will see how on November 17 we have a spike, from the 320 to 339. And this spike was because this news. And I was surprised when I saw that, and the news was only thing that we can put there because previously we didn't have any fundamental impact, neither company knew. Then we need to analyze the market skepticism about broad tariff treaties. Broad tariff treaties against significant trading partners became less impactful because market participants doubted their implementation. For example, specific and incredible announcements from sources like Bloomberg or Reuters citing government officials tended to move markets more than Trump's social media posts. In that case, I will be out. I will just monitor, never enter. Now, energy production bond markets. I will give a hypothetical example. If Trump announced policies to increase U.S. energy production, market might react by selling oil due to anticipated downward price pressures, and bond markets might respond positively, with investors buying long-dated treasuries as inflation expectations decrease due to higher energy supply. So we can sometimes like I said, use this information. But like I said before, fundamental and technicals need to align with this announcement, either directly, either indirectly, if I invest in indirectly in impacted assets. Defense and drone industry impact. Comments and policies promoting the drone industry could increase investments in smaller drone-related stocks. So, larger defense contractors like Lockheed Martin might see sell-offs if funding priorities shift away from traditional military hardware like fighter jets. This is the indirect cost, indirectly trade. Why? Because I invest in small drone-related stock because I think they will benefit from Trump. And of course, I want chart, for example, bullish trend already for these stocks and stable financial report, and maybe then I will enter trade. For example, potential TikTok ban impact competitors. You can hear a lot of times about Trump and TikTok and everything, and we should think like this. If Trump blocked the sale of operation of TikTok US, competitors like Snapchat might benefit, potentially rising their stock price. So instead to sell TikTok, you can buy Snapchat share. So this is the indirectly investing and the idea, trading idea, this case. And by the end, I just want to say that we as a trader need proactive. So proactive trader preparation, we know that. Professional traders analyze potential Trump-related catalysts, such as energy, defense, policy changes, and prepare future trade plans. So we need to have prepared plan. So I want, before the announcement, to have my checklist, to have my trading ideas, and only if Trump trade news align with my projection, with my trade idea that I previously created, I will end trade. So always make preparation, always create a plan, strategy, what you will trade on that day, and only if some news is related to my trade ideas, I will end. So this is my personal strategy, how I deal with Trump trade. Of course, like in the beginning of this conversation, I think that politics, economics should not be so tight, and we traders should not be impacted by politics. However, we need to protect ourselves, need trade way how to protect our assets, so we need to be careful. So, like I said, now you have a technical, fundamentals, and Trump trade, so you need to use combination of all three. So this is it. I wish you a great day, and bye-bye.